How could we analyze the uncertain movement of market for last 1 month? So many ups and downs and confusing. Because market is basically struggling to find one dominant time frame. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि when you go higher, sellers are dominant. When you come lower, buyers are dominant. Not a single dominant time frame is present at the moment. यहाँ पे भी वही हो रहा था. You were looking at sideways development, up down, and then at this moment it was clear that sellers have taken control. और फिर मार्केट बहुत शार्पली गिरा था. आई वॉज टेलिंग ऑल द गाइज, यू नो, ये सब इंटेंसिव और लाइव सेशंस में आई केप्ट सेइंग कि ये गलत है, यहाँ पे डेंजरस सिचुएशन डेवलप हो रहा है. एंड देन वी फेल शार्पली. सो राइट नाउ व्हाट वी हैव हियर इज both buyers and sellers are probably present in equal amounts. When they become unequal, either buyers greater than sellers or sellers greater than buyers, in that case either you will see a down move or a up move. So you wait for that. तब तक के patience is the key, and if you have to trade from a lower time frame. Don't try to trade from higher time frames. Longer time frame trade बनाने की कोशिश मत करो इतनी जल्दी, because यहाँ पे confusion है. मार्केट को सेटअप होने दो, डेवलप होने दो, उसके बाद ही आप एक हायर टाइम फ्रेम पे ट्रेड सोच सकते हो. Hope you like this concept of 1 minute trader. If you find it useful, your friends might find it useful too. So share this video with them right now. And to get notified about my next video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next one.